We have learned when we use and when we use on. So now one people, so one of you say it, we tell to other people no. When we use
we use when the word begin vowel sound.
with vowel
With
sound. No. We use when the word
sorry.
begin with consonants sound.
And
For example, you, me, on. Say O is a vowel, but when we pronounce it a you, union. So we say a union. Do you know your unicorn?
Yes.
Okay, unicorn also the same, huh? Unicorn and university and universe. Universe, you know the universe?
Yeah.
How the planet system, the solar system, the earth, so the star and many things are the universe. And now, and on we use for the indefinite nouns. When we say and on, so I say, give me a pen. So we do say, which pen? So here there are many pens, and we don't know exactly what is the pen. And so we say it is indefinite. Definite means that we know exactly what it is, and in is the opposite meaning. Okay, so now let's do the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with a or a. So we have 3 sentences, and I want you to just write the article. Read the sentence and then okay. In front, so beginning of the sentence we said capitals. Capital the last. Good. So capital the letter A. Here you don't need to add capitals, but here in the sentence, yeah.
I can clean.
I clown.
Tree.
A tree.
Okay. Done?
Yes.
Yeah, good job. So let's read out the answers. Number 1.
How many days are there in a
Week. How many days are there in a week is the question, and all of you here certainly know the answers that we have.
There are 7 days.
7 days in a week. Okay. Number 2.
An ant is a tiny insect.
Insect, right?
Insect.
An ant is. Do you know an ant?
Yeah.
Really? Small, tiny. And number 3.
That's I saw a lion at the zoo.
You saw? I saw a lion at the zoo. Right.
Father
Number.
saw an eagle in the sky.
Yeah, saw an eagle. So I'm supposed the eagle on the 8 exercise. So an eagle in the sky.
In the sky.
I can climb a tree.
I can climb a tree, right?
Tom Cruise is an actor.
Right, is an actor, right?
Have
And number 7.
Have you ever seen an elephant?
Have you ever seen an elephant? Right, an elephant. Number 8.
A computer is a useful
Gadget.
Yeah.
Yeah, computer is a useful gadget. A computer. Right, a computer. So we have a week, an ant, a lion, an eagle, a tree, an actor,
An elephant.
An elephant.
and a computer. And so fantastic. All of you know it's really good. So now we move to another article here. So I say we have 3 articles. First is and so now we mention about the. Say the is an article. So now I will give you example. Give me the blanket, but I want to change. Give me the pen, or give me a pen. Okay, now look at 2 sentence and tell me when you read how do you understand about 2 sentences here. So when we look, we see it's similar meaning, right? It's the same meaning. But when we look at the sentence, we have the difference here. And tell me, how do you understand? If I say, give me the pen, and also give me a pen.
I think when you said give me the pen, so all the people in here they know what is the pen is exactly the pen unit.
And if I say, give me a pen,
A pen and we don't know there are a lot of pens in the table, so I don't know you need exactly the pen.
okay, how about you, Hong?
I think so.
You think you have the same idea, so Jin?
Yeah, I think so, but it's a little different because give me the pen.
Yeah.
The pen is mean that you know that absolutely which pen you. We should know that which pen is you need, and our pen is which pen is okay. You can just give any pen.
And any pens is
Yeah.
okay. Okay. Is there any idea about this questions? So when I say I say you give me the pen, so means that I know which pen, and you also know which pen. Okay, I will say the. So the is the then we say the definite article. In Vietnamese we say xác định. Xác định article mạo từ xác định indefinite. Indefinite là indefinite là không xác định.
Yeah.
If you say that indefinite, mean that any pen is okay, any blanket is okay. And they refer to specific noun, while and noun are indefinite article because they refer to a more general sense of a noun. Because people will sometimes confuse which one. Okay, and when we use the. Okay, I will give you an example like this. I have a pen. Okay, if I say I have a pen, you know what a pen is? You don't know exactly, but I say the pen is pink. Okay, now look at the table. Look on the table. Where is my pen? Where is my pen? Right, this is my pen because it's a pink. You say my pen or the pen. I have a pen and the pen is pink. So first I mentioned the pen, a pen, and you didn't know what is it. But when I want to repeat it and I say it in the second times in my sentence or in my text, so I use the because everyone knows what is a pen. Like I said, my pen is. Or they say the pen is pink, and all of you know it's my pen.
Yes.
Okay, do you understand when we use the?
Yes.
It's a definite. And the is used in place of or on. Okay, here, but the replace for because now we know it, and we talk about the nouns is a noun, and we talk a nouns the second times. It's the first time and it's the second times, and then the third or the fourth times we also use the. Everyone knows what is a pen. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
For example, I ate. I say that I ate an apple. The apple is red, or the apple is sweet, right? And I ate an apple. The apple was sweet. It's just an example, but everyone knows what's the apple that I ate. And the is also used before a name of. So it's related for and but it also used. It's also stand in front of some word like we say. First is the oceans. The plus oceans. Do you know oceans?
Yes.
Atlantic. The Atlantic. The Pacific. Is that right? Seas plus seas. Like the the Red Sea. The Red Sea. The Red Sea. The Thames. Or the South China Sea. Or the Mekong River. So say the sea and the river. Okay, like the Mekong River. So the before the Nile. Do you know the Nile? The Nile is the longest. It is the longest river in the world, and it's also in front of the famous buildings. Famous building means that when we say this building, everybody knows. Like the
White
Taj Mahal, the White House, you know the White House, the Great Pyramid of Giza.
Yeah.
You don't know the pyramid.
Pyramid.
Okay, the pyramid. Another say pyramid. Things that are only one of their kinds just mean that just only one in the world. Like
The sun.
say the things that only one of their kind. Like you say
The sun.
the sun, the moon. Right, the moon. The moon. Yeah, the word the earth. The earth. Okay. Now I will give here two examples. now I will take now you to example here. So now look here. When I say how I pronounce and what is the difference? I say the and I say the. Why it also have the article the, but I say different the and the. Who can tell me why? Let's guess. Okay, you just look. Sun and earth. So I have E, S. So S is
consonant.
it's a consonant, right? It's consonant. And is a vowels. And I say the and I say the. So how about if I say the university or I say the university?
The university.
Okay, say the or the.
The
E or a.
the university.
You say the university. Why?
Because the beginner of the word is consonant sound with consonant sound.
Okay, now we can have more thinking about the pattern. Why we use all the rules. It's like the rules. When we use a or an, when we say the, it's a e or the. The past, the rules say the word begin with consonant sound. Okay, remember the sound because it's not a letter you see here, but the sound when we pronounce the word. We say the article the is the, and when the word beginning with the vowel sound, we say the. Okay, let's give me two examples, the and the. The and the.
The piano
You say the piano
and the monkey.
the monkey. So by when you say the elevator, right? The elephant, right? The eraser, everything that is definite. You say the. Okay, good. Now, the evening, right? You say I do my homework in the evening or in the afternoon. Yeah, really good. So we know that the word after the begin with the consonant sound. People usually say the. And when the word after the begins with the vowel sound, people usually say the or like use the to say. And I give you more example in the sentence like he liked the book very much. He liked the book very much. When we say I like the book very much, so you know what is a book. It's a definite book nouns. The kids enjoy the play. The kids enjoy the play. Each of the 6 roses had bloomed. They were the first people to arrive at the party. They said the first people and the party. So the is usually used because the word after the begins with a vowel sound. He reached the end. The end. For example, we start here and it's a goal here. So we say the end. The end of the book, the end of the story. We say the end. She just watched her favorite movie for the 8th time. Let's say the 8th time. How many times did you read? She read 8. So this is the 8th time. He drew the apple in a very realistic way. Have you watched the realistic way in the YouTube? So when people they draw something, you look really realistic. You like the tree. Some people look at the paper but they think that oh it's a tree and the top it's no, it's just a raw way. So the